Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this specific training, we're going to continue talking about the Salesforce integration. But more specifically, I want to talk to you about lead ownership. You see, so far with our integration and setup and everything we've talked about, it's best if all of the leads or contacts or whatever records you and your team are working through are assigned to individuals. Otherwise, you could potentially be stepping on each other's toes. You see, if everybody goes to all contacts and they all select the records and begin a phone burner dial session, everybody could potentially be calling the same contacts at the same time. And you certainly do not want that to happen. Now, obviously, most people who are using Salesforce are using lead ownership or contact ownership or some sort of concept like that to ensure that you don't have multiple people working the same leads or contacts at the same time. However, you may have a large quantity of leads or a large list of contacts that you want to have your team powering through that nobody really needs to own. And you just want to ensure that those leads or contacts are getting worked as effectively and efficiently as possible. And that's where the LeadStream concept really comes into play. LeadStream allows you to load that data up into PhoneBurner so that your team can all begin dialing from PhoneBurner and calling through the same list at the same time, but nobody's going to be calling the same contact at the same time. This option works really well with real-time data as well as age data. So if you've got real-time leads that are flowing in, you could feed those leads directly into PhoneBurner, and as they flow into PhoneBurner, your team can start calling them immediately without having to start a new dial session. Or if you've got aged leads or win-back leads and you want to start powering through that data, but nobody really needs to own that data, LeadStream is going to be a great option for you. So in this section, we're going to focus on a couple different options. One is taking data out of Salesforce. Think of age data or just existing data that you just need to have multiple people calling through as quickly and efficiently as possible. And the other option that we're going to be talking about is real-time data. You may be generating real-time leads and you may want to feed that data into PhoneBurner in real time so that your team can call those records as quickly as possible. And of course, those contacts that they don't reach, whether they're aged or fresh, we can recycle those back into the pool to continue to be called if you don't connect with them. And then of course, the ones you do connect with, we take out of the LeadStream. And we're not going to go into all of the details of LeadStream. There's a lot more specific LeadStream training that you can go through. But I want to show you how you can take advantage of this LeadStream dialing concept in PhoneBurner with those two types of leads or contact records from your Salesforce environment. So let's get into it.